how to make all conditions serve you. And this comes from the book As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. So here's what James Allen said. This is probably one of my my all-time favorite quotes. He says, "To begin to think with purpose is to enter the ranks of the strong ones who make all conditions serve them." You see what he's saying is, you're making the conditions serve you if you begin to think with purpose. So you see, no matter what the condition, it serves you. You are no more a victim of the circumstance if you are thinking with purpose. You are using that circumstance to your advantage if you are thinking with purpose. So if you consistently think with purpose, you will make all conditions serve you. Okay, and now I'm going to finish up this quote. So I'm going to start reading the quote again. He said, "To begin to think with purpose is to enter the ranks of the strong ones who make all conditions serve them and who only recognize failure as one of the pathways to attainment." So when you think with purpose, you think of failure as a pathway to attainment. In the book Obstacle is the Way, Ryan Holiday talks about one of the greatest quotes from Marcus Aurelius, the great Stoic philosopher and emperor. He said, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Only when you begin to think with purpose, will you think of every failure as a pathway to attainment. Will you make all conditions serve you? And that is huge. If you want to have high self-esteem, you must never be a victim of circumstances. You make all conditions serve you. You only recognize failure as a pathway to achievement, a pathway to attainment. You see, Purpose is what causes you to enter the rank of the strong ones. Enter the ranks of the strong ones. Having a purpose leads to higher self-esteem. What happens when you don't have a clear purpose, when you don't have a clear goal? Well, you become a slave to the conditions. You become a slave to the circumstances. Your self-esteem suffers. In the book Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill talked about the idea that definiteness of purpose is the starting point of all great achievement. Yes, your plans can change, but you must be very definite on the purpose, on the outcome that you're after. You see, the keys to purpose, the two keys to purpose are definiteness of purpose and clarity of purpose, clarity of the outcome. You cannot keep on changing your purpose. That's really crucial. You cannot keep on changing your purpose every day. And the other thing is, you have to be able to see your purpose, your outcome as vividly or as you can. That is the clarity that you require. So here's the simple exercise to put this into action. Write down your goal and then visualize your goal as vividly as you can and become very definite about it. Do not alter your goal. So write down your goal, visualize your goal every single day in the morning and in the evening as vividly as you can. Make it as clear as you can in your mind and become very definite about it. What happens as a result of having that purpose is